Hi guys, welcome to Trademark Law in Kenya. My name is Rogers, and in this video we intend to achieve 5 key objectives. Number 1, we are going to be able to understand what a trademark is, the purposes of a trademark, whether trademarks guarantee quality, and how you can be able to get a trademark in Kenya. And so remember that trademarks fall under intellectual property law, and they are completely different from copyrights. And so as far as the law is concerned in Kenya, we have the Trademark Act of Kenya, Chapter 506, that will provide the law on trademarks. Now, with this brief introduction, I want us to move in to the definition of what a trademark is. And so, according to Section 2 of the Trademark Act, a trademark refers to a combination of words, symbols, that businesses use to identify their products and services and distinguish them from other businesses. Of course, as you can see already from your screens, these are examples of trademarks, meaning that a consumer can be able to distinguish Citizen TV from K24, Safaricom from Airtel. You can be able to distinguish that a Mercedes car from a Toyota car. You can distinguish a white car from a Tusker thanks to trademarks. So trademarks have this purpose, which is completely different from a copyright. Copyrights and trademarks are not the same thing. So moving on to the next slide. When it comes to purposes of a trademark here, remember, consumers can be able to distinguish or identify the source of a particular product. So this is the essence of a trademark. When you see a sign for Mercedes car, you can tell this is a Mercedes and not a Toyota. When you see Safaricom, you can be able to tell this is Safaricom and not Airtel, and that's the purpose of a trademark. Also, when it comes to marketing, these trademarks that you get for your business become a marketing tool, meaning that as you push out to advertise your products, you can simply use your trademark. If it's a trademark of Citizen TV, then that way you can be able to target your consumers because they know how Citizen TV looks like in terms of the trademark the company uses. The other key point is that these trademarks at times act as incentives for manufacturers to invest in quality, meaning that if your consumers are used to consuming a particular quality of good from you and you need to maintain your trademark out there, then you can invest in quality so that you can satisfy that need of the consumers. And so with that in mind, I want us to go to the discussion of whether trademarks guarantee quality. Now here the answer is that trademarks do not guarantee quality. In fact, you might have consumed a good that was of a poor quality, yet it had a registered trademark. So this goes to show that quality is not an issue when it comes to getting a trademark in Kenya. In fact, when you go to register a trademark at the Kenya Industrial Property Institute, KIPI simply registers the trademark without the need to inspect the quality of the product. So this discussion goes to show that trademarks are generally about a consistency issue, meaning that if you've trademarked a good or a service, you've trademarked Java, yeah? The word Java, of course, when you walk into a Java, you can be able to tell I'm entering a Java and not at cafe based on the trademark at the door. When you've trademarked a white cap, Tusker, you're able to tell that Tusker is manufactured by company A and white cap is manufactured by company B. So remember that trademarks are just to create that distinction and avoid a confusion within the market. And so, how do you acquire a trademark in Kenya? Now, as a student of intellectual property law, the process of getting a trademark in Kenya includes you sending an application to KIPI. Remember, KIPI is the Kenya Industrial Property Institute, and once they receive your application, what they're going to do is called an examination to find out if there is something registered before, meaning that you can't register a trademark yet it already exists in the market and it has been registered with KIPI before. So the mark that you register has to be distinctive, meaning it has to be different from other marks, and should it not be distinctive, then you cannot qualify to get a trademark from KIPI. And so moving ahead, please remember to subscribe to Nairobi Legal, like and comment on my videos so that I can continue serving you better. Now, when it comes to distinctiveness, PP will actually look at the closest thing that they can find to ensure that your trademark is different. And so what they will do is that they will look into their register for the trademarks that previously registered to find any sort of similarity to what you want to register. And so they do this to find out if the mark you applied for is distinctive from the already existing marks. And so this brings us again to the end of this video. It was short and brief, but I intend to give you more videos on trademark law in Kenya. Please remember to subscribe, like my videos, and share. Thank you so much. See you soon.